think it'll idle. Yeah, there we go. Maybe. Nope, not quite. Hey, welcome to McLovin Garage. On today's episode, we're checking out a 1947 Mercury, two-door. Hasn't been out of the shop in several years. A little bit ticking, yeah. Got a Ford fuel-injected 302. Like I said, it hasn't been running for a couple years. Just got it fired up. It's running on some crappy old gas. I'll walk you around it here in a minute. We're just trying to keep it running. Look at that car. What a beauty. What a beauty. Still a little cold-blooded, huh? I bet that crappy gas it's not happy about, huh?
Yeah, that's a problem.
There we go. Now it's kind of idling. Sure sounds good, doesn't it? This 1947 Mercury Coupe was restored, sorry for the noise, back in 2015. It's got a Ford fuel-injected 302. It's backed up by a C4 automatic transmission, and it's got a Mercury Cougar rear end. So it's kind of a resto mod. It was painted. This is a Buick color, green. What do you remember the color, George?
Yeah.
What's it called?
I don't remember.
Okay, so it's a Buick green instead of the car was originally black. All the stainless is there. All the chrome was re-chromed. It's got dual exhaust. It's got a new fuel tank. Here's the trunk. Got a little water in it after we washed it. Bumpers on it. Like I said, all the stainless. Beautiful car. Let's look at the inside. Here's the inside. It was all custom redone in this green, new carpet. Needs to be vacuumed out, but otherwise it's clean and orderly. Look at the dash. It's beautiful. Beautiful dash. Oh, like a Mercury, an updated Mercury stereo. Got an aftermarket volt gauge. The other gauges do not work yet. He hasn't gotten those sorted out. That was kind of the last thing he was working on that didn't get taken care of. Headliner. The back's coming down just a little bit. You can see there. Back seat redone. Door panels redone. Like I said, it's got some cobwebs in it. It's been sitting for a while. All painted, all redone. Just a beauty. Let's look at the driver's side. Driver door panel. seats are gorgeous. Factory steering wheel. It's got aftermarket turn signals. There's the gauges. So the speedometer doesn't work and the gauges don't work, like I said. Last thing that he was working on that he didn't get to before it was done. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Once again, 1947 Mercury Coupe. Super clean. Very well kept. It's been sitting since 2020, so if a person was to buy it, I think you'd want to go through the brakes, go through and put some fresh gas in it. New tires probably. I bet these have been on there a while now. But yeah, fresh gas, tune up. Just double check that things are working right. Go through the brakes, make sure they're working properly. It does have drums in the rear and discs in the front, so that's been upgraded. It does have disc brakes in the front. See if you can see them through the slots. You can. Yep, discs up front. 302 looks very clean. It's got an electric fan on the back of this custom radiator. It's got a regular manual fan, flex fan on the front. Really neatly done, very tidy. Thank you for watching, appreciate it very much. My name's Ryan, this is McLovin Garage. I'm on Instagram under McLovin Garage. I'm on YouTube, obviously. I'm on Facebook. There's Aiden, he approves.
It's a good car.
Yeah, check me out on the socials. I post there in between videos. And thank you for watching.